What is up, guys? Britt Tech here, back with another video, and today I'm going to be showing you how to rotate your screen on iPhone 11 and below. So as you can see, if I turn it to the side, my screen rotation is enabled. So in order to disable it and lock the screen, you come right here to the top right, swipe down for the control center, and you just select this right here, and that will lock your screen. So as you can see, portrait orientation lock is on. So let's demonstrate, and I'll show you that this lock being on, your screen will not rotate. So in order to enable it, you just go back to top right and disable that right there, and it will allow your screen to rotate once again. So yeah, guys, that's how you rotate your lock screen. And I just really hope that this video helped. Go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.